Okay guys, so today we will be unboxing the JJRC H31 waterproof drone, and it is from Adelbert Austria right here. In this picture, he's the one sent me this drone, so it is from JRS. Okay. Okay guys, I have opened it, and here is the JJRC H31 waterproof drone, and it even comes with a sunglasses. So okay, there it is. And I've got the green version. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so here's the manual, and it has two languages, which is English and Chinese. So this drone doesn't have a camera, so it's just say only a drone. Okay, there you go guys. We'll lift this thing up. Okay. And this is the JJRC H31 waterproof drone, but I wouldn't suggest that you will put it on a sea or lake, because you know salt water is dangerous to electronics such as this drone. It has a hole, so I won't be putting this drone in the sea or river with a salty water, because it's too dangerous. And it is compatible for rain purposes only. You can use this drone while raining. And okay, so there's the parts that is included: a screwdriver, 4x propeller, and 2x landing gear, and the protection prop guard for the propellers, and some USB charger, and the JJRC 400 mAh battery LiPo, and it comes with the free sunglasses to protect your eyes from the sun. And it has two batteries, which is this one is free. These parts of the screw, and that's all it. So there's the remote. There it is. It was only a 4 AA batteries, which is this, and then we're going to test this drone right now, but I won't fly it right now, maybe tomorrow, or maybe right now, because the weather is in good condition. It's not bad, it's sunny day. Okay, as you can see, the signal bars is only a display, it's not working. That's the one. This is the battery for your remote, not the drone. This is the push up and down for the, what do you call this? You can, using this, the drone will go up. This is the headless mode, to the left, to the right, return to home, trim buttons, and this one is just nothing, it's just a design. So we'll test this JJRC. And by the way guys, so if there's someone will swap onto my drone, this X8, which is modded, the antenna is modded. This antenna is a 5 dBi, which is a range of 0.3 miles. So if you will swap my drone, it's okay. I want to swap this drone. The motor is brushless motor. I want to swap your drone with your brushless motor. I mean, your drone is brushless motor and this is the brush motor. So we'll test this and we'll remove this.
Okay guys, so this is the test of the JJRC H31 waterproof drone. Actually, that I'm not gonna test yet on the heavy rain because I am still waiting for a typhoon or heavy storm. So let's power it up. Okay. So this in high rate mode, which is very slow. Medium mode, high rate mode, see, and its yaw is very fast. As you can see, let's set it in here. See, it's acting crazy. This the steer yaw, which is very fast. See, it's very windy in here, so it's not stable flying. And let's test the yaw again. See, this in high rate mode, medium mode, I mean low rate, and this is the flip. That is the flip. So it is a racing drone, I guess, but it's not a brushless motor drone. So let's test high rate mode. now it has crashed. So thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next test video about on the testing this JJRC until a heavy rain or storm. I think it's thunder, heavy rain. So thank you guys for watching, and subscribe for my next video.